Hey everyone, this is a quick look at the Cen-Tec Systems dust separator. The main unit is almost 14 inches tall and 10.5 inches wide. It comes with all the necessary hardware for mounting it. The inside has this white baffle which allows the fine dust to be sucked into the vacuum. The input and output holes are both the same, with an inner diameter of 1 1/4 and an outer diameter of 1 1/2. The package I bought comes with an 8-foot hose as well as these 3 hose adapters. The 2 smaller adapters are both the same, and they have an end measuring 1 1/8 inches on the inside and 2 1/4 on the outside. And the other end measures 1 1/4 and 1 1/2. The large adapter measures 2 3/8 and 2 5/8. As you can see, the ends unscrew and the inside of the hose is smooth to help with airflow. I attached the separator to this bucket. The vacuum hose plugs into the top, and then the side is the hose you use. This thing has really helped save my vacuum filter from clogging up, and now I don't have to worry about dumping out my vacuum every 10 minutes. I've been using the separator for a while now, and it doesn't seem to cause the vacuum to lose any suction. This is definitely one of those tools that I wish I got sooner. Anyway, I hope you found this quick review helpful, and thanks for watching.